I could make a holiday version of sticky buns that would be so delicious and ridiculously easy. You start by combining 12 tablespoons of room temperature butter and 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Into a 12-cup muffin pan, place 1 rounded tablespoon of the mixture into each of the muffin cups. Then, sprinkle 1/2 cup of chopped pecans evenly on top of the butter and sugar mixture. Now for the pastry. Lightly flour a wooden board or a stone surface. Unfold 1 sheet of puff pastry with the folds going left to right. Brush the entire sheet with 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Sprinkle over 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, some really seasonal flavors, 1/4 cup of dried cranberries, they're perfect for the holidays, 1/4 cup of white raisins, just to balance the tartness of the cranberries. Now, starting with the end nearest to you, roll the pastry up snugly, just like a jelly roll, right around the filling. Finish rolling it with the seam side down. Trim just a little bit off the ends of the roll, just to straighten it out. Slice the roll in 6 equal pieces, each one's about 1½ inches, and place each piece spiral side up in 6 of the muffin cups. Repeat with the second sheet of puff pastry to make 12 sticky buns. Okay, so then bake the sticky buns for 30 minutes at 400 degrees until they're golden to dark brown on top and firm to the touch. Be careful, they're really hot. Allow to cool for 5 minutes only. Invert the buns onto a parchment paper. You can just ease the filling and the pecans out with a spoon and cool them completely. That's my holiday take on Chelsea buns.